Hello guys, I'm Spurti. So today I'm going to design this table. As you can see, I have to if I try to zoom in, I'll use this button. I have to my final goal is to get this output. So what I'm gonna do is go into my VS Code, and what I'm going to do is shift 1, which is your exclamation mark, and then press enter. So what it does is it creates a template. So I'm going to collapse this files tab right here so that I have more space to work with the actual code. So before going into this, I have to tell you that all of my code is within this body tag. As you can see, all of my code will be within body tag. And let me edit this document title thingy. I should name it as table, HTML table, and I'll click on live server, and I think the port is 5500. Yeah, see, as you can see, my title is HTML table and my port number is 5500. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. So I'm going to refer to W3 Schools to build a basic structure. As you can see, how many columns are there? Let me check. I think here only it is there. So 3 columns and 3 rows. I think the fourth, 3 rows and 4th column, and the second row, I think the 2 tuples, right? It is conjoined with the image part right here. As I'm moving my cursor right here, I think what I have to do is put a stock image of 5 years. So first and foremost, I have to create a folder in my VS Code. So let's create a folder right here. I have to click on this files tab and click on folder, create folder. So assets, basically in programming, when you're building a website, mostly your images will be in assets folder. So yeah, I think only one image is required, so I don't need to create another folder within assets folder. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. So let's search for a stock image. So 5 years of stock image. So stock image of 5 years. I think this would be it. I think I was lucky enough to get this particular image in PNG or JPG. So view image, I'll click on view image. So let's see if I can download this. Yeah, luckily it was an JPG file. So what I'm gonna do is confetti sign, right? Illustration. So I'll remove this. Okay, and go into my D drive, and I got this folder, assets, and save. Now the image is in right here, so we will close this one so that now we can focus on the table structure. So tr tr tr, I think I am not going to use their server. I'm going to use my own server right here. So let's try this, a portion of it. So table, okay, the limit is 15 minutes, so yeah, table, then tr. I think tr is your columns, I think so. So this would be your, I'll put comments so that you guys can understand what I am talking. So um, first column, this is second. What I'll do is copy this and paste it right here, paste and paste, 3 columns. I'll also do the same thing for comment. This is your second column, and this is your third column. And I am going to put name, jobs and working experience. Put name, then job, then working experience. Oh, I didn't expect this output. I made a mistake. Hold on. I think let's go with, let's see, th, let's put name. Alright, then what I'm going to do is remove this because my intuition was wrong. My intuition was wrong. So that's what, yeah. And let's remove this comment also because it is wrong. My intuition is wrong again. Yeah. So then name, jobs, working experience, let's see what I get. For borders, let me check. I want a border, right? So I have to use a CSS file. So what I'm going to do is create a folder. No, it's within my assets folder. So what I'm gonna do is Control J. I'm going to open my terminal, and yeah, it says PowerShell because PS stands for PowerShell. So make directory called mini table, and I'm going to move wait, I have to do it manually instead of terminal because I don't know the actual command to do it, or else I would get some grammatical errors or spelling errors if I try to do it right here because I'm on a time crunch, because LinkedIn allows you to only limit yourself to 15 minutes only while posting a video. So yeah, anyhow, so let's close this. Let's close your VS Code because I'm going to make some changes. D drive, web technologies, and background. I'm going to move this and this to what I did was I did control instead of shift and doing your selection. That's what I did. It's a shortcut that I have discovered. No, I took a computer class after finishing 12th. Maybe I'm not that sure. Anyhow, enough of rambling. Let's get back to work. So VS Code. So recently I was in this So PowerShell, open PowerShell, uh, d colon, change directory to web technologies tab, change directory to play grd, change directory to mini table. Then I'm going to open my VS Code using this command called code space dot. That is how you get it. Yeah, we are back. So let's close my GitHub Copilot because we don't need it as of right now, and let's create a CSS file called index.css. Oh, I already have Tailwind, so it's gonna interfere. I don't think so. What I'm going to do is ask Microsoft Copilot to let me how to connect HTML file to a CSS file. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is copy this and put it right here. I think I am going to put it alright, this one here only. So I think index, let's close this. Let's see if my spelling is correct, and yeah, now as you can see, if I click on this, control click, then I am directed to this file. So that's how you know that your HTML and CSS file are linked together like a glue. Alright, so table dot comma th comma td. I think they are selecting tags here in CSS. So